Hey, welcome back to Nomad Garage. I'm Jim, and today we're putting a windshield in our 55 Nomad. Step 1. Douse the windshield in glass cleaner. In this case, spray away. I think it works pretty good. This is a smoked gray windshield. They come in clear and in green, and all the glass in this Nomad is going to be in smoke gray. Here's another tip you may want to consider is using dishwashing soap. Put that in your little trough all the way around where your glass fits into. Gets a little more slippery, easier to slide on. But you don't want to get it out in your glass because then your glass gets slippery, can fall through your hands, and disaster. All right, I got the rubber seal around the window. I believe it's on correctly. I'll take a good look here. So the window, you can tell which channel the window's in because it's a little bit wider than everything else. Then I got this little channel here, and that's for this little lip right here. We have one more slot, and that's down here, and that's for the stainless trim. You want to go outside? You? How about you? You want to go outside? Goodbye. So I wrapped this cord around the edge inside of here, all the way around, and doubled it up here so it comes across, this one comes across, and then this one comes across from this way. Holy cow. What do you want? Do you want to come in? Well, quit. Hey. We got the window laid in here, and you can see the rubber is overlapping that lip. And that's how we're going to start. We'll just start pulling this cord out all the way around, and hopefully it'll set in there correctly. A little bit?
Yeah, I'd say right.
Okay, it should settle down once we get around this corner.
Yeah. Okay. All right, here we go.
Yeah. Right there, and then we'll check it.
See the gap. I think all of that's in. That looks in. We can get back there.
Whoa. Is it good? Is it still good?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Well, Jenny, how did that go?
Perfect.
We really did it with two people. Mom was just holding the light and the.
You know what? Holding the light is really important, though.
Is it?
It's probably one of the most important jobs.
It is, because if you don't have good light, then it's not as much fun.
Right.
But we got it in, and I'm still waiting on clips for down here, along here. They're in back order.
What are you shooting for?
Well, what I'm shooting for is get all the glass in, and then I need to get some tires changed out. I'd like to put some wider tires on the back because I think the rims will support it. And then we're ready to drive and start shaking it down.
Are we driving it anywhere though?
Back to the 50s.
When is that?
June.
So you haven't till
Third week in
June.
June. Oh, we have time.
Yep.
I think we're doing pretty good on time. But yeah, there's just some. You got to do some touch-up paint. I mean, we're putting a seat in here. Luke caught the edge down, and he's got that on the edge of the seat, and yeah, so
No.
there's
Some bruises.
here and there that need little nicks here and there that need to
Yep.
be airbrushed, and like this little guy right here. You know, there's another chip here. Even though I tried to extensively use masking tape, it does get banged up.
Could be
At
worse.
least my experience. So, yeah. Remember, this is amateur. This is amateur hour. It's not pro hour. Here's another little guy right there. So it needs to be sanded smooth and airbrushed.
What's going on here?
Laney, what are you doing? Oh, I filled that in again. This is, when I took it out and I had it outside, I was like, oh, that looks so bad. That had a little depression in there. It's very depressing. So sad. So I had to fill that in. I didn't catch that. Because, you know, in the sunlight, you see stuff, you get back away from it in the sunlight, you go, it's either like, oh yeah, it looks really good, or no, I can't live with that.
Are you done?
I am done.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Next episode, we're going to work on the side glass, the rear quarter curved glass, and the slider window. See you then.